All right, gobble, gobble. Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. Got a fun little DIY craft activity for you here. Got some mini flower pots that the kiddos made. So if you're looking for a little craft activity to celebrate Thanksgiving and some placemats, hopefully this video can help you out. Let me show you what we did. We went to the store and bought these fake fall leaves. And as always, I will put links in the description below. But you can get these at the dollar store, for example, or the Dollar Tree. And they're just little planters. You can see here, a little pottery. And the kids can design them, and then using a hot glue gun, you can glue some of those leaves to the back of them. So that's kind of where the creativity and the fun happens, right? You can put some paint, markers, whatever your little turkey design wants to look like. So really cool activity for the kids. And they make great table decor. So if you're looking for a last minute table decor idea. Now, as far as the placemats, you can see here the kids made their own kind of little design with some turkey stencils and paint. And we're just using some heavy duty paper here and even the old handprint. That's a classic right there. Lots of good old family fun, I'll tell you what. So enjoy. Happy holidays once again. Thanks so much.